Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the In the Pines bundle. So here is the In the Pines bundle. It's got these lovely outlines of trees and then these watercolor images that you can use to fill in the trees, as well as these dies that cut out all of these trees. And then it's got these extra dies to cut out trees and these two slope dies and then this peekaboo die that you can use as well. So for this card, I'm going to show you how to create an easy background using the sentiment in the stamp set. I'm going to start with a piece of Pool Party, and I'm just going to pull in a piece of scrap paper. And here's my sentiment. And I'm going to use some Pool Party ink on Pool Party paper, so tone on tone. And I'm just going to stamp the sentiment randomly down the cardstock to create this background. And that's how easy it is. I'm going to bring it out a little bit further to go around the circle. And that's it. That creates our background. You can do this with other stamps, not just sentiments, to create a nice background for your card. To finish the card, I'm going to use this die cut from the Poppy bundle. And I've already stamped and cut out this from the dies in Pear Pizzazz. So I'm going to add some dimensionals to all of these. I love adding dimension to cards. And I'm going to add some ribbon as well. Let's do some mini dimensionals on the outer trees since they're smaller. So I'm just going to place this in the middle. I'm just going to make sure that the top is at the top. And then I will place this circle die on top. Next, I'm going to use some Snowflake Splendor ribbon. Love this ribbon. But I'm going to color it. I think that will be kind of fun. I'm going to use some of the Pool Party blends. I'm going to start off with the light blend first to see what that looks like. And then I might change over to the dark. Yeah, I think I'm going to change to the dark because the light Pool Party isn't quite dark enough. That's better. So you can color your Snowflake Splendor ribbon any color you like. Doesn't that look pretty? And it's all sparkly and glimmery. Looks super pretty. You do want to let that dry just for a little bit. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus right here, just like a little bit to adhere it down. And I'm just going to go back 1/4. And because I put some color on it, the adhesive doesn't want to stick to it. But we'll make it work. Dimensionals will help it stick down. That looks really pretty with the pool party. I'm just going to trim this ribbon a little bit. Should be good, and there is our card. I am offering a class on the In the Pines bundle and it includes supplies for these 3 cards. You just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and place a $30 order using this December hostess code. And just send me an email letting me know that you would like this In the Pines class, and I will send it right out to you. This offer is good until the end of December. Thank you so much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.